Hi guys, my name is Kiran from Basic Trader. I heartily welcome you for this particular video. If you are an intraday trader or a swing trader or anyone who wanted to start an intraday in Indian stock market or any other instruments, then this video will give you a complete super insights. You will learn how to capture a big momentum trades using this particular toolkit, which is a Vardhan Algo. Now, I'll show you some of the results which we have, which we have backtested and which we have taken trades using this particular system and using this particular toolkit from a 50k capital in both index and as well as commodities. Please note that this is not a buy and sell recommendations or the quick rich scheme. This is a decent returns which we have acquired using our system. And I'm able to show some of the screenshots which our team have rigorously worked on this particular system, and we have backtested the system which I'm about to show you. You can see that there's a decent returns which we have did with a 50k capital. Now, if you are wondering that can you also do this much of decent returns, of course yes. But let's understand in detail what is that you require to do this. More than 95% of the retailers lose money in F&O, which is considerably reported by SEBI. But my real question is, can you really make money in the stock market? Can you really earn decent returns from intraday? We don't want to earn 1 lakh per day or a 5 lakh per day. A decent returns against our capital, right? My biggest thing is, I'll be very frank, yes, you can do it. But you need three things to do that: a system, a discipline, and a trader's mindset. Now, you can achieve these three things: system, discipline, and a trader's mindset with also understanding institutional trading, understanding a good point of view on technical analysis. The knowledge on technical analysis of doing intraday is really huge. But you might already know that price action, which we say, the price is the king of the stock market, because price is what tells you about what is happening and what has happened. Now, if you want to take up a trade, you need to know the what is a trend right now, which is a trend analysis. You should also know the basic concept, that is support and resistance. You should know the where is a supply zones, where is a demand zone, which I told you, the institutional trading, where does a big institution enter and exit their positions. There are some little bit introduction to smart money concepts. You should have a clear cut idea that where does a price ended yesterday, that is a previous days of high and previous day low. You can also use a EMA, that is, or a SMA, moving average, to analyze the prices. You can use a elder impulse system, which is a beautiful system which uses a moving average to trail your stop loss or a profits. You can use an oscillator for an additional confirmations. A lot of people use MACD, a lot of people use RSI or stochastic, any other things for an additional confirmation to take up a trade. You can also see a dashboard to see the overall insights, what is happening in 8 hours and 4 hours. Guys, what if I tell you that all these features which we want to take up a trade in this particular systems, we don't get it in a single indicator in trading view, until and unless you want to use many indicators, right? Now, what if I tell you that Vardhan Algo have created a beautiful system that if you want to do an intraday or the swing trading system. Let me quickly show you what is this Vardhan Algo. This particular algo system, which me and my team rigorously worked on it, and which will give you a buy and a sell signal, which uses a lot of information in the backend to give you this particular buy signal and sell signal. Like I said, you need all these particular features. You need to have a trend analysis. What is a trend right here? It is a red. What is a trend here? It is a green. And you need to have a support and resistance. See, I have an automated support and resistance which is plotted on any time frame. I can go to 1 hour chart and it will be automatically plotted, and I can go to a day chart. You will also get a moving averages. You will also get the swing points. You can also have the dashboard on and off. There are many features which has been integrated in this particular indicator. I'll switch on one particular feature, that is nothing but a order blocks, which is a supply and demand order blocks. See, using this particular order block, you can understand where does a big players have entered and have exited. See, this is a place where it says that big players have been made a short on the Nifty 50 on a 1 hour chart. I'll go to a 5 minute and you can understand the supply and demand zones over here. And using this, you will get a very good point of view to do an intraday or a swing trader. Of course, we need a good data to analyze. Now, if you want to have a complete demo, on this particular, Vardhan Algo indicator, please register on this page and I'll see you on the other side and explain you each and everything about this particular system. Now, if you are not having the system, then you will be over trading. You will not be having any proper setup, no knowledge on a price action where what is happening, and there is a fear of missing out if you don't have a knowledge. If you don't have a risk management, then you will definitely wash out your entire capital. And I've seen people doing that. Please register for the demo and the back tested data, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you, guys.